can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, holiday, yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Vlogmas day 3, and you guys are just gonna go with me all day today. Did some cleaning, laundry, got a few more things to do at the house. Right now, put your seatbelt on. Me and Micaiah are headed to find something. We gotta find her a dress because my husband, if you don't know, is a police officer. He's both fireman and police officer, but he has a police banquet, Christmas banquet coming up, so we are going to look for her a dress, and you guys are coming along so that we can try to find her something simple. She's not a dress type of girl, but we got to find her something to wear. So we will see you guys when we get there. So this is option 1.
No, Mama.
Okay. I don't think she wants me to record.
I
won't
already
record.
did.
I ain't posted anything.
No, but you already recorded.
I did.
Yes. Stop.
Right, so we're looking for her some shoes right now. We need to be Micaiah. Those are men's. We can look down this aisle. Oh, those are cute. Those are cute. But if not, let's see. Oh, these are cute. These little flats. You don't like them? Let's see. Trying to think of something age appropriate at the same time. You don't want nothing too big of a heel. Who? No, baby. That's cute. But I don't think that's your size.
Let's check.
Look at the bottom. These are cute. I like those little boots too. They're not. You'll probably need an 8 in women.
What is it?
I told you to look at the size before you put it on.
Oh.
Let me see. How far does the heel come up though? I mean, not the heel, the boot itself. I would like for them to be just a little bit more. They're cute. Where's the other one? You see the other one? How much are those?
This is an 8.5.
Do they feel good with
Yes.
those socks, with those thick socks on?
What do they do?
Shopping with a teenager, y'all, is about to drive me nuts. They're cute though. I just hope that you remember how long that dress was that we just got, that red and black dress.
You about like a little bit other movies.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. If anybody's looking for some person that loves Mickey Mouse or Disney in general, Marshall's has some cute stuff. This one right here, this little gift set comes with the backpack, a little, ooh, picked it up from me, babe. This one comes with like a keychain that is super cute. It says Mickey, a wallet, and this little Sherpa backpack with the gold accent. Super cute. This one also comes with, I'm dropping everything apparently. This one comes with a wallet and a crossbody for $29. And that's the same little thing right there with the Mickey hand with the white glove as the keychain. Super cute. Great gift ideas, guys. I'll be doing more shopping gift with me, gift ideas, and I'm in line right now, and I could not show y'all this. These are other gift sets. Harry Potter, if you're a Harry Potter fan, they have little gift sets with the same thing as the Disney ones, a pair of socks, a keychain, and something else, but they also got,
You want that for Christmas?
girl, that would be so cute. They got a cup. Go ahead and walk, baby. And they got a pen. Super cute. Head to Walmart. Gotta pick up some fries because I'm making wings tonight for dinner. And I need to get some hot sauce for the sauce. See you in there. She said she looked good. Alright, so we've gotten baby girl's outfit, her shoes. We're in Chick-fil-A line right now, getting us some food. I got me a salad. I hate that they're low on lettuce right now. I mean, they're not out, but they use like an alternative type of lettuce. So this is my first time getting a Cobb salad with this different lettuce, so we'll see how that goes. But we are hungry. And then, of course, like I said, tonight we'll be doing wings and fries for dinner.
Ooh.
And maybe a movie. Movie. You don't want to watch a movie?
That ain't even Me and Zanaya.
Yeah. What, me and Zanaya, what?
We friends.
Oh my God.
We friends though.
Alright, you guys. I'll be back when we get home. Frying up some chicken. Silly boy. Yeah, okay.
Are you doing vlog?
This what we do. This is what we do in this household, playing.
What up?
And here go Micaiah. Because Micaiah is saying, oh my gosh.
Not here, no. Stop.
Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop.
Boop, stop before daddy end up dropping you, baby.
Squats.
Ooh. Ooh, Lord, he gonna be able to get back up. Oh, Jesus. Strong man.
Just stay right here. Hey, and I'm gonna record you picking up my mama now.
No, don't pick me up.
Stop. You literally, like you just said, I'm gonna tell them that when you hear it recording.
Say it again. Come on.
Okay. You ready?
This is my daughter, y'all. This is Micaiah Nicole.
Kaya.
That's my baby.
Kaya.
That's my firstborn. My first baby. This my last baby.
Now let's do
My
the
first baby. My middle baby is upstairs playing the game. This is my little baby.
You ready to do the dance now?
Oh, so you wanted to be on here. It's upside down, this whole...
that is going to wrap up Vlogmas Day 3, you guys. Thank you so much. If you have made it all the way to the end, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Comment below. Let me know if you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, and you have yourself a wonderful and blessed day.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I've built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I